Can you tell what it is yet? Slowly taking shape. Now it's time to get that little fucker on the go. There we go. That's that done. Neaten it up once it's all properly shaped in, but you can see it's going to be a spork. I like to get outside and do this bit outside, but the weather's a little bit shitty to do. This bit you want to be careful with, because this is where you can blow through the arse of the spoons. And there's nothing worse. I suppose there is a lot worse. It is just a thing. Go too deep with this one. I did that the other day and I was pretty raging. It's about fair. I'm going to bring this edge here. I'm going to bring that up a little bit. See if I can make it a little bit thinner. So that gives you something to pivot your grip on. I'm currently being watched by the dog. He knows not to come in here while I'm working with the knives, but he still wants to come in. He hangs about outside the door. So that gives you something to pivot your grip on. I'm currently being watched by the dog. He knows not to come in here while I'm working with the knives, but he still wants to come in. He hangs about outside the door. Watch this. Neo. Neo? Oh no, you're actually in the living room. Here he is. Here's my boy. You're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, you're a good boy. Mwah. Yes, honey. I thought to give you a better idea, better view. I was using that as a wedge. It was a pipe that I was making, but I ended up blowing through the neck of it when I was drilling. Yeah, I need to cut some points out of this end. I want to make that into a fork. But I thought I'd add a little bit of a scoop onto it. And then I've brought that edge up a little bit, just so it makes it a little bit more comfortable. Yeah, get in there. Well, that's the basic shape made. Fork went a bit wonky, but I think it'll still be functional. Well, after a metric fuck ton of sanding, and I don't think I'm still done yet. I've only done 120 grit so far, but it's starting to take its final shape. I need to get all inside there, inside the spoon still. But yeah, I like how that's turning out.